courage you lack. If you were a bird, then I'd be a tree, and you would come home, my darling, to me. If you were asleep, then I'd be a dream. Wherever you are, that's where my heart will be. Oh, do you know we belong together? Oh, do you know my heart is yours? If you were the ocean, I'd be the sand. If you were a song,